Sheila. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make your lash extensions last as long as possible so that your lashes look great, your lashes are growing, and you're not having to get refills as often, which is going to save you a lot of money over time. Before we jump into that, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you hit a like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's go ahead and get into it. So today's video is done in collaboration with Lash, and they have two really key items that I'm going to go over with you guys today and show you how you guys can make your lash extensions last so much longer. So the first product is their Lash shampoo, which I absolutely love. The reason Lash shampoo is so important is because naturally our skin secretes oils, and especially if you have oily skin, even more so if you work out a lot, sweating, you're perspiring, that's oil coming off your skin as well. And a lot of times the things that we use to remove our makeup and even some of the cleansers that you use contain oils and detergents that will actually break down the bond of your eyelash extensions. So you may notice, especially if you're new to wearing eyelashes, that your fills don't last as long, or your lashes are falling out more so, because you really have to stay on top of keeping them clean. So Lash has this lash shampoo. I use it in the morning and in the evening, and it comes with this brush. The brush is awesome. It has like this little tiered tip at the end, and the bristles are very soft, but because it has this tiering here, it gets in between each and every lash. So I'm going to show you guys how to use this in a moment, but the great thing about this is that it actually moisturizes your lashes and your eyelids, so it's creating a healthy environment for your eyelashes to grow. A lot of people complain that they feel like eyelash extensions damage their natural lashes. If you properly take care of your lashes, it really doesn't. Like, I consistently have my lashes on. Every so often, once in a blue moon, I'll take them off, but if I'm keeping up on caring and maintaining my lashes, my natural lashes stay strong and healthy, and that's why I would highly recommend getting the Lash shampoo, which I'm going to show you guys how to use right now. I absolutely love this lash shampoo. It really makes my lashes last so much longer, and I don't get any like irritation from things getting stuck into my eyelashes. So all I do is just like shake up the bottle, and I like to just wet my brush before I start. And I usually just take some on the back of my hand. Like, a pump is enough for both lashes. You don't need a ton. And I just close my eye and just apply the foam to the lashes. And I love this brush too because of the way the brush is designed. It really gets in between each and every lash. It's gentle, so I don't have to worry about it pulling my lashes out or anything. It smells really good, and I just do this. I'm gonna do the other eye now as well, and this just helps to get any dirt, any oils, makeup, all those things are going to break down your lashes. So I just like to make sure that all of that is out of there. If you're gonna spend this kind of money on lash extensions, you need to make sure you are cleansing your lashes properly. Like, it's definitely worth the investment. So once I went through and just thoroughly cleansed the lashes, I'm just gonna rinse with water. Alright, so now that my lashes are completely cleansed, I'm just going to take a fan. You can air dry or take a fan. I like to just use this little fan, and I am going to go through and dry my lashes. And I'm just taking a eyelash brush that doesn't have any product or anything on it, and I'm just going through and drying and separating my lashes. Before you apply your sealant, you want to make sure that your lashes are like completely dry. So I just like using the fan because it makes it easier and quicker for my lashes to get dry. And I'm just going to do that on both eyes, just gently combing brushing the lashes out. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's really easy. It's just a simple extra step in the morning and in the evening. Once you get done washing your lashes, you're gonna feel so much better than they would if you don't, because you're gonna find that like when you don't use a lash shampoo, when you take off your makeup, you're gonna have makeup stuck in the lash line of your lashes, eyeshadow stuck in there. And like I said, a lot of makeup wipes are not designed for lashes, because those oils are going to break down the bond of your lash extensions, which you don't want to happen. For both of these products, I start using them 2 days or about 48 hours after I get my refills or a new set. I will start using this like 2 days later, because you want to give the lash adhesive that your tech used time to really dry and fully cure. But after that, you should be able to use these products with no problem. So the next product I want to talk about is the Lash Black Diamond Lash Sealant. Absolutely love this for a few different reasons. So after you've washed your lashes and you've removed all of the dirt, you want to make sure that you're putting a barrier between makeup and oils that are going to build up throughout the day. Because like I said, even if you're not a makeup wearer, if you work out, just naturally sweat, your skin you know, secreting oils, that's gonna get into your lashes. So this is great because it just creates a barrier on your lashes to help avoid oil breaking down your lashes. On top of that, it is going to seal your lashes in and help that bond of that adhesive that your lash tech used to last longer. So I feel like this is essential. My lashes literally last, like, I would say on average like a week to 2 weeks more than they did before I started washing my lashes with a good lash shampoo and sealing my lashes. So they're gonna last so much longer using the sealant. It's an extra step, but it is totally worth it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I use the lash sealant. So I'm gonna start with this eye, and I'm just gonna go through kind of like you'll put mascara on. Try to avoid your eyelid itself. This does rinse off of your skin easily, but you know, just avoid it if you can. And then I'm putting this on the top and the bottom, like I'm applying it the same way that I would apply mascara, right? Okay. And what you want to do is take your brush again, like take a brush that doesn't have any product on it, and I'm going to use the fan and I'm going to go through and separate my lashes. So what this is going to do is going to seal your lashes, but it'll keep them looking fluffy. So as you guys can see, super simple to use the lash sealant as well. And the great thing about the lash sealant is that it has a black tint to it. So it does help make your lashes pop a little bit more because of that like little black tint to it. So it's almost kind of like putting mascara on, but like not as heavy, but like kind of like that effect, because you are going to darken up your lashes a little bit, which is nice as well. And like I said, your lashes are going to last like 1 to 2 weeks longer by using the sealant. And so it's simple to do. And like I said, I did mention that you want to make sure that you definitely take a dry eyelash brush. Most of the time your tech will give you one when you go, or you can ask for one, but I always get a new one each fill, and I just keep this and I use this to separate my lashes after I put the sealant on. That's gonna avoid your lashes being clumped up together. You want them to be, you know, fan out, wispier, and this will help do that, and while still keeping your lashes, because I know like a long time ago I stopped using lash sealant because I didn't like the way the sealant like clumped my lashes together. And then once I realized like, oh, do it this way and I don't have to worry about that happening. So I would highly recommend you guys checking out Lash. They are available on Amazon. I will have the links down below in the description box for you to pick up both of these products. If you wear eyelashes, I'm telling you, these are worth the investment. These two products are highly worth the money because you are going to have your lashes last so much longer. So imagine the fact that, like, if you're getting your lashes done like every 2 weeks, and now you can go a month without getting your lashes done. So that cuts down the cost dramatically. I know where I'm at, lash fills cost anywhere between like $65 to $100. So like, if you only have to pay that once a month versus twice a month, that's keeping a lot of money in your pocket while still being able to keep it cute, which is what we're trying to do. We're trying to be on a budget, but we want to look good while doing it. Definitely check out the links down below in the description box. You can pick up your BL Lash, Lash Shampoo, and the Sealant. Don't get one without the other. You need both. Put both in the cart, get them today. They're on Amazon, so you can get them relatively quickly, which I love. So definitely check them out. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.